Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify keywords in demand with Semrush for dropshipping, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Semrush account. Once logged in, navigate to the Keyword Overview tool. Enter your target keyword into the search bar and hit search. Review the overview page, focusing on the keyword's search volume. Check the keyword difficulty score to assess competition. Analyze the trends graph to understand search volume fluctuations over time. Scroll down to explore the Related Keywords section for additional ideas. Pick relevant keywords that can complement your initial choice. Next, go to the Keyword Magic tool from the left sidebar. Input your initial keyword and click Search again. Filter the results by choosing your preferred language and location. Review the list for long-tail keywords with a decent search volume. Make a note of the keywords with low competition scores. To validate demand further, switch to the Domain Overview tool. Enter a leading competitor's domain into the search bar. Look at their top organic keywords for insights into what's working. Explore how your target keywords are performing on their domain. Continue by using the Position Tracking tool to monitor keyword rankings. Set up a new project and input the keywords you want to track. Once set, you can view changes in rankings and overall visibility. Lastly, consider the Traffic Analytics tool for understanding competitor traffic sources. Analyze how competitors drive traffic and which keywords contribute the most. Compile your findings into a list of verified keywords to target for your dropshipping business. This process will ensure you have strong, demand-driven keywords for your marketing strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.